Welcome to Box Breakers, celebrating our 11th year on eBay. Today's break's number 699. We're opening 4 boxes of 12-13 certified hockey. Our last winning bid was for the Winnipeg Jets, and it ended June 1st at 9:29 p.m. And according to timeanddate.com, it is currently 1:52 p.m. Tuesday, June 2nd. That's Eastern Time, local time, Toronto, Ontario. Our first box number is 191 031 921. Second box 191 039 070. Third 191 039 073. And fourth 090 935 492. We've got 5 cards per pack, 10 pack per box, total of 4 boxes to open. First box, just bad for hits. Here we go, first box, break number 699. We've got 10 packs, 1 empty box, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We'll do 3 and 4 pack bundles. That way we can keep the video under 20 minutes or close. Extra careful like always. 2 and 3. First bundle. Small adjustment. Focus is better. Here we go. Immortals. Brett Hull for Red Wings out of 999. We got a dual jersey card between Blues and Sharks. So card will be randomized at the end of the break between these two teams. I'll put it separately right here. Okay, Path to the Cup between Kings and Vancouver. Same thing. Between these two teams will be randomized. Those unfamiliar with that procedure, all the information is available on my description page. Sidney Crosby, game used jersey out of 299 for Pittsburgh. Sorry about that. Next 3 pack. Two and 3. Got a parallel card. Guillaume Phaneuf for Maple Leafs out of 199. And our last 4 for first box. We've got a freshman fabric of Jussi Rinas. Card 187. We'll keep it for the end of the break. Double check on Panini checklist. We've got Henrik Sedin for Vancouver out of 999. Oh, this is nice. Game used jersey and auto out of 50 of Zach Parise for Wilds. Got the Wilds logo in the back and in the front. Card goes to Minnesota. That's our first box. And we'll just push everything here. Second box. I'd like to remind everybody we got 6 box breaks tonight, ending between 8 and 10:30 p.m. A bit of everything. We got some SPMU, some titanium 4-box, 10 packs, 1 empty box. More appeal all the time. 4, 6, 8, 10. First 3. And 3-pack. So our first bundle. Okay. Here we go. Got a freshman fabric, Andrzej Pavelec for Winnipeg. Fabric of the games out of 299. Another path to the cup between Rangers and Devils for the end of the break. Next 3. Masked Marvel, Carey Crawford for Chicago out of 999. Another double jersey card between Washington and Boston for the end of the break. And last 4-pack of our second box. Just go. I got a bad cough, so I need to drink a little water once in a while. Okay, keep it clean and on screen. The last 4 of our second box. Oh, we got a goalie pull, so I will take it out right away so we don't damage it. So for Stars, Kari Lehtonen, and it's out of 25. It's got the jersey in the background. So 11 of 25, goalie pull for Stars. We go. Oh, we got a gold parallel out of 25, Michael Backlund for Flames. Immortals, Ed Belfour for Blackhawks out of 999. Rookie auto, Torrey Krug for Boston. Card is numbered out of 999. That's our second box. Third box. Ten packs, 1 empty box. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. First 3. Another card to be redeemed. Freshman signature, Philippe Cornet out of 175. That for the end of the break. I want to speculate. Certified icon, Lanny McDonald for Maple Leaf out of 250. Sidney Crosby, again, game used jersey card out of 299. Fabric of the games. Back to the Cup. Simon Gagné out of 99 for Kings. Immortals, Gilbert Perreault for Sabres out of 999. And another double jersey card between Penguins, Flyers. And goalie pull, Carey Price, Montreal. And last four of our third box. Parallel, Michael Bruckner, sorry, for Coyotes out of 199. Oh, rookie auto out of 5, Maxime Sauvé for Boston, 1 of 5. Nice hit for Boston. Mask Marvel, Carey Lieutenant for Stars out of 999. And that's our third box. Fourth, last box. Ten, empty box. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There's 3. Game used jersey card, Marc-Andre Fleury for Pittsburgh out of 299. Fabric of the games. Back to the Cup between Caps and Bruins for the end of the break. Got a Certified Stars, Carey Price, Montreal out of 999. Another double jersey card, this one out of 50. Kings and Coyotes for the end of the break. Next 3. Keep it clean and on screen. Another goalie pull, Jimmy Howard, Detroit. Safgi Gonchar for Senators, parallel card out of 199. And we're down to our last 4 packs. 1, 3, and 4. And 4. We got a rookie auto jersey of Chris Kreider out of 499 for Rangers. Ask Marvel, Tim Thomas for Bruins, 999. Got a certified signature, Anders Nielsen for Islanders. Ask Marvel, short print out of 50, Marc-Andre Fleury. Pittsburgh, Battle 4 box. Now, do a quick recap before we do. We've got some cards to sort up. Almost have a break after the break. Here we go. So let's sort this out. We've got double jersey card, Pat to the Cup, double jersey card. This one, double jersey card, Pat to the Cup, Pat to the Cup, double jersey card. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 double jersey card, 3 Pat to the Cup, Stanley Cup playoff, and we have these 2 cards to go on checklist. So I'm already set up, like always. Let me just move you to my screen. There we go. We're on Panini America checklist program. So we just gotta click certified 1213. Put my glasses, I can read this fine print. Okay. Select the brand. The first one will be Freshman Fabrics. Oops. Freshman Fabrics. There we go. 187. So we've got card 187 of Jussi Rynäs. Goes to Toronto Maple Leaf. Jussi Rynäs. Freshman Fabric. Next off, we've got freshman signatures. So let's just click here. Freshman signatures. There we go. We've got card number 175, Philippe Cornet for Oilers. Philippe Cornet. Card 175. Card goes to Oilers. Okay, so let's start. Just beside, we're on random.org. Under the list of randomizer. We'll start with the Pat to the Cup Stanley Cup playoffs. First card will be between Kings and Vancouver Canucks. So, okay, whoops. Kings and Vancouver. Each card will be randomized 3 times. Team that's on top the 3rd time wins the card. All that info is available on my description page for those unfamiliar. Here we go. Randomize once. Got Vancouver. Randomized twice. Vancouver still on top. And a 3rd time. Vancouver still on top. You randomize this list 3 times. Vancouver wins this card. Next up, between the Rangers and Devils. Rangers is first on card. And Devils. Here we go. Randomize once. Devils on top. Twice. Devils still on top. And a 3rd time. We've got Rangers on top. You randomize this list 3 times. Rangers wins this card. Martin Brodeur and Brad Richard. Next off, Backstrom and Krejci. Caps and Bruins. Get a new list. Caps and Bruins. Here you go. Randomize once, twice, 3 times. We've got Caps on top. Card has been randomized 3 times. Let's discard. Now we're at the jerseys. Get a new list. First card between Blues and Sharks out of 250. Blues is first non-card. Here we go. Randomize once, twice, 3 times. Nope, it was a little fast. 2 times, 3 times. Gotta randomize this list 3 times. Sharks is on top. Sharks when discard. 194 out of 250. Next off. Caps and Bruins. Carlson and Marchand. New list. Caps first on card. Bruins. Randomize once. Caps on top twice. Caps on top and a 3rd time. Bruins on top. Bruins wins this card. 64 out of 250. Penguins and Flyers. Stahl and Briere. New list. First on card. Pittsburgh. The Flyers. Randomize once, twice, 3 times. Pittsburgh is on top. Wins discard. Card number 3 of 250 between Stahl and Briere. Last card to be randomized. Kings and Coyotes. Short print out of 50 of Doughty and Hanzal. Kings. First on card. Get a new list. And Coyotes. Randomize once, 2 times, 3 times. Kings is on top. Kings wins discard. 16 out of 50. That's all the cards we have to be randomized. Let's get back to our hits. Do a quick recap. That wasn't so hard. So I won't go through all the double jersey cards that we just did, but we had 4 of them and 3 Path to the Cup with our 2 cards to be redeemed. Okay, here we go. Pittsburgh, Islanders, Bruins, Rangers, Ottawa, Wings, Montreal, Pittsburgh, Dallas, nice 1 of 5 for Bruins, Canadiens, Sabres, Kings, Pittsburgh, Toronto, Bruins, Chicago, gold parallel for Flames, short print goalie pull for Dallas, jersey card Winnipeg, nice for Wilds, Jack Parise, short print auto and jersey out of 50. Another Game Used jersey card, Sid the Kid, and an immortal Brett Hull for Wings. And that concludes our break number, $6.99, a 4-box of certified 1213. Be sure to check out our box breaks tonight. We got 6 of them that ends between 8 and 10:30 p.m. My name is Gilles. Thank you all from Box Breakers, your one-stop shop for box breaks.